what will befall you if he hears your thoughts about him?
You and your father think so highly of yourselves. The only thing you do in this village is to cause chaos and fear. That's what you do.
And what about your father, Eloa? He's no better. The only thing he does is make the villagers think and believe he's the greatest and strongest, hereby causing so much trouble. I think I should start by teaching you a lesson.
I will be the one to put your skull from your skin.
One more step, and you'll be right. One more step.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Tomorrow, you know very well that I am the greatest in Tagaima Kingdom. I saw your antics when you were meddling with the elements. To you, you were to impress them. No, it can only impress the weak-minded.
And the same antics you made reference to forced you to stop your attempt at show-off. Maybe next time, it is actually going to push you back to your little shrine. And therefore, you will no longer try to trigger what you may never be able to sustain.
You, Kejimaru, that you halted the rain should not make you to feel supreme. I am Zagoje. Your dark art is nothing but a mere shadow compared to my mastery. I wield the forces of nature.
And I am the one who actually halted the nature itself. Your powers are just like a flicker that is next to the inferno that is at my beck and call. And you know it.
Kejimaru, acknowledge my supremacy and be free.
I am not going to acknowledge any supremacy because the man that is standing before me is actually nothing. If you push me to the wall, I am going to force your own shadow to rise and pursue you back to your shrine.
Are you pointing at me, Zagoje, the greatest in Tagaima Kingdom?
Consider today to be a good day. And that is the reason you will be living here in one piece. If you try this one more time, anytime in the future, trust me, I am going to cause your own shadow to rise for real and pursue you back to your shrine.
We shall see.
Don't push me.
We shall see.
Don't push me.
And we shall know who is the greatest.
Good morning, my elder. How are you doing today?
Good morning, my child, Rajawa. How are you this morning?
I'm fine. I'm heading to the farm, but it's just that the weather today is so strange.
Yes.
Very strange.
The weather indeed has been a peculiar one. It's not natural. It is the work of Chigozie and Kejimaru.
Chigozie and Kejimaru?
Yes, Chigozie and Kejimaru.
My elder, I don't understand. What do you mean?
You know, Chigozie and Kejimaru, their rivalry has grown dangerous. They wield great power. Their clash has affected the very elements. The rain, the wind, and the black cloud all are the work of their magical powers this morning. That is it.
Hey, this is terrible. Oh. Very terrible.
Very terrible.
If their feud continues, I wonder what will become of our village.
Indeed, my child, we must tread carefully and hope that the high powers call them to reason before it is too late.
Thank you, elder, for telling me this. I am not going to that farm. I'm going back to my house.
But they mean no harm to the villagers, so. Well, the spirits protect us all.
So God, the greatest farmer of our land. Where are you going to?
Eloa, you startled me. What are you doing here? I hope you're not going towards this part of the forest because of wild animals.
What are you saying? So because I do not have a gift like your childhood friend, you think I cannot take care of myself? You think of me as a weak woman?
I did not say that. Look, I am only looking after you. Besides, you don't have to bring allergy into every conversation that we are having. If you must talk about her, let it be for a good cause.
Really? That sounds great. You are defending her even when she's not here. I can't even express myself the way I want. You know, sometimes I wonder why I cannot just stop thinking about you. Or even stay away from you and go be with someone else.
That is because you can't. I did a very good job in making you fall for me. Besides, you are not the only one in love here.
So tell me, what are you going to get?
Oh, I'm going to pick a few tubers of yam. Tanji, my brother, will soon be back with 200 or 300 deers. You should come by the house today because he promised to leave one for the house and sell the remaining.
That sounds nice. But I need to be at home right now because my father will be waiting for me. But I'll see you later in the day.
Do I have to remind you how much you love bushmeat? I think you should come.
I'll come.
Hello, my beautiful queen. My most priceless possession. Take care. I'll see you later.
Chitua. Chitua. Chitua, what is happening again? Chitua. Chitua, my child. Wake up, it's your mother. I'm here. Chitua, you are scaring me. What is it?
Darkness. Shadows. It's coming. The plague. It's coming. The sword of the powers. It's coming.
No. Not again, not again. Not again. See, we have to go inside, yeah? We'll be safe inside. You have to go with me, please. Let's go inside. We'll be safe inside. Let's go.
Father,
With the look on your face, I presume you've had an encounter with... You know who?
You know better than to mention that name before me. How dare Chigozie challenge my powers? He believes he can beat me, but I'm going to send him a taste of my wrath, and he will experience it.
Father, please calm down. Your anger won't help anything. Rather, it destroys. Father, please just have a rethink.
I should have a rethink? No. Is that what you are thinking? That I'm the one who needs to have a rethink? All I see here is a man who does not know where to stop, and I'm going to teach him a lesson. An arrogant man. I will teach him an arrogant lesson. Chigozie's insult has gone very far. Too far this time around, and I cannot take that.
Father, please. I understand your frustration. But please, your anger will only cause more conflict. Let's look for a way to resolve this without harming anybody around
Listen,
us.
Those who are looking for peace must first prepare for war. Because there is no resolution without power. Chigozie believes that he has arrived, and I'm going to put him in his place. If I fail to do something, he will repeat this some other time, and I will put this where it belongs. Out of the way. Step out of the way.
Father.
Somebody help me! Help me! Hey! Somebody help me! Help me! Help!
What is this? Eh? What just happened to me? Huh? Of all my years as a hunter, this is my worst nightmare.
Anyways, I will be going to my maternal home this afternoon.
Again?
Mm-hmm.
You are traveling too much lately. What's going on? I don't like it.
If not the daughter of an evil man, who else will a peaceful scenario distress?
Did you just call my father evil? Should I remind you what will befall you if he hears your thought about him?
You and your father think so highly of yourselves. The only thing you do in this village is to cause chaos and fear. That's what you do.
And what about your father, Eloa? He's no better. The only thing he does is make the villagers think and believe he's the greatest and strongest, hereby causing so much trouble. I think I should start by teaching you a lesson.
I will be the one to put your skull from your skin.
Eloa, allergy. You two are causing a sin here and it's worth it.
Oh, you stay out of this. Why are you always taking a side? Why?
I am not taking sides. You two are young maidens and fighting will ruin your reputation.
Oh, you see? He even knows you're being unreasonably fallacious. Nonsense.
Did you see this fool? Did you see that? This girl and her father is the reason for all the mess in this village. Yet you're supporting her. No, don't you dare touch me. I don't want to talk to you.
Why are you shutting me out because of this? It's not what is.
Then stop talking to her. Stop talking to this girl. Stop it.
Eloa, you know that is not possible. We've been childhood friends and very soon she's going to be my sister-in-law and your sister too.
I do not care. I don't care if she's getting married to your brother or not. It's either you chose her or me. Who do you choose?
Of course it's you.
Rubbish.
Mother, I saw it again. Please, I need to tell them about my vision. We can save them.
No. Chitua, you cannot. If they hear about your powers, they will look for you and they will hurt you.
But Mother, please, it haunts me. It urges me to tell them, to tell everyone.
What about me? Chitua, what about me? What if they take you away from me? We have 2 dreadful priests in this kingdom fighting for powers. If they hear about any other rising power, they will look for you and they will kill you. And I will not let that happen. Not under my watch. Go inside right now. I want to go into the bush and fetch firewood so that we can make food. Stand up and go.
But mother, please.
Chitua, I said no. Stand up, go inside.
Please.
Go inside!
Mother, please.
Alaji, I know this is you. Not now. No!
Father,
It's already a full day and your brother is yet to be back from the woods.
you worry too much. Eh? Don't you know your son? He never comes home until he has a successful hunt.
I know, but I don't know why I feel different this time. What if he's been overpowered by a huge lion, tiger, or any other dangerous animal?
Father, do you take your son to be weak? My brother Tanji is not. Allergy.
Greetings, Elder Baboa.
Greetings, my daughter.
Do not tell me that you are here because my brother Tanji is not back yet. You're worried too?
Tanji is not back.
No, he's not.
I had a dream that he's back. So how come it's a whole day and he's still not back?
You and your dreams. Besides, I should not be seen with you, else I'll be rejected.
That must be from Eloa.
Sometimes I wonder which of my sons you are betrothed to.
Father, me, betrothed to this one. She will just kill me before my time.
See who is talking. You that is already with someone who is killing you. Sometimes I wonder what is in that Eloa figure.
You will not understand. Eloa is an exception among all maidens in this kingdom. She has the key to my inner being.
It has always been Eloa this, Eloa that, Eloa this. I'm used to that. Well, that's not my problem. I am here for my mates, and I can't wait for my Tanji, the love of my life, to return back. So let me go and prepare.
Okay. Suit yourself.
I hope you know it's a taboo for a brother to be intimate with his brother's wife or wife-to-be.
Father, we are not having this conversation again.
I'm just saying.
Eloa, what is it? What happened?
He was...
Seize your breath. Catch your breath. Speak, my daughter. What is after you?
But something was after me. Something was chasing me. And when I used my bead, it turned to ashes.
Kejimaru. Kejimaru. He came after you. He attempted killing you.
What?
He thinks killing you will make him to get at me.
Kejimaro, why would he do a thing like that? Why?
He's a coward. He's nothing but a coward. So, Kejimaro, you think harming my daughter will make you to get at me? You are nothing but an empty vessel. Stay safe. I am coming.
Father, you have to be careful. I mean, if he was the one that did this, then what next? Who knows what he will do next?
He's a coward. He cannot even stand my anger. The mere passage of my shadow trembles all the spirits that surrounds him. Stay safe. Go inside and eat something. Let me engage that coward. The guilt that by getting at me. The fight of a woodpecker is not attended by anyhow bad. I dare whosoever that can challenge the greatest power. Oh, here you are.
Chigozie, by bringing your cursed body close to my gate, should I understand that to mean you want to have a kiss of death?
Death? From who or where? You know why I am here. You tried harming my daughter.
Your daughter is merely a servant, bearing the message of the gods. I needed to do what I did for you to know there are people that you cannot fight and people that you must do everything humanly possible to avoid.
Who I shouldn't fight? You that is a coward. A coward that hides behind shadows and open threats. Kejimaru. You may think you have done your worst. Mind you, the sun may set in the west, but the dawn will always come anew. We shall meet again, where shadows holds no sway.
Listen to me. This is not over. I am letting you go today because I wouldn't want your cursed body, your cursed blood to be shed anywhere near the vicinity. Stop pushing your luck too far. Because the truth remains that if you try this again, you are a dead man. And the more harder truth is that when you die, your family will not even see a corpse in the burial.
We shall see who this threat is meant for. We shall meet again. That the sea does not have an enemy, cannot make a coward to step its feet. You restrain down.
But you have your own allergy.
Give me now, let me test your own.
Take it easy before you finish it.
Yours is even bitter. Mine is sweeter. That reminds me. What was father telling you when he was leaving the house?
Oh, you don't want to know.
Really?
Hey. Oh, yeah, I will tell you, I promise. I will tell you. I swear I will tell you.
So tell me.
Well, he said I should remember that being intimate with a brother's betrothed is very wrong.
Why did he say that? Is Tanji trying to sleep with your maiden?
Oh, come on. You know Sanji will never do such a thing. He's talking about me, you fool. Well, come to think of it, why do people always think in that direction?
If you must know, that is because I am the most prettiest, the most endowed maiden in this kingdom. Just that blind men like you can't see that.
Who's talking? You. You that I know. As if I even ask you to be with me, you would want to be with me. Even though I'm the most handsome man in this kingdom.
Disgusting. That is like being with the dirtiest pig in this kingdom.
Eloa.
Where are you going to, Zola?
Somebody help me. Help! Someone! Please. Help me! Help! Someone please help!
Kill us all. We have to stop it. The shadow plague is here. It's going to kill us. We have to stop it. The shadow. The plague. It's here. It's here. He's going to kill us all.
Are you not Chitua, the daughter of Rawaja? What are you saying?
The prophecy is here. The shadow plague, it's here. Only the sword of the power can halt its path. It consumes the shadow plague.
Chitua, can you hear me? What power are you talking about? Speak, child. Chitua?
Where am I?
Who are you asking?
Elder, what happened?
You speak of prophecy, a plague coming to kill all of us, power, and the great sword that will stop the plague, and all those things. What does that mean?
Me? I don't remember. I was only calling for my mother.
Your mother? Okay. Okay, continue calling your mother. Spent more than 3 days in the bush.
Eloa, stop and talk to me. Eh? Eloa, please.
What is it? What? Toga, what is going on? Are you two intimate?
What? Intimate?
Yes.
No! Look, we are just friends. What you saw was just a friendly gesture while Allergy is waiting for her betrothed, my brother, to come.
Friendly gesture, you said. I saw you playing and feeding each other and you're saying, what kind of useless gesture is that?
Look, even Tanji, my brother, knows about our friendship. Even when he sees us that close, he doesn't bother. He trusts us because he knows there's nothing.
I guess Tanji is too blind in love to see what is going on. Let me ask you. Have you ever wanted Allergy? Even while we were growing? Even once?
It was a long time ago. Like,
yes or no?
It was one.
Yes or no?
Yes, but that was a long time ago. We were young and it doesn't matter.
Hey, it doesn't matter.
Yes.
How can you say it doesn't matter? All of this you're doing can stir up the feelings.
No, she's betrothed to my brother.
I can't believe you would do this to me. How could you? Just shut up.
She's betrothed to my brother. Eloa.
Don't come close to me.
I swear.
Don't you dare ever come close to me. Rubbish.
Eloa, it's you that I love.
Are you sure of this?
I am very sure of what I saw, my king. The lightning that blazed out from those eyes of that girl is not a trick.
We have to summon the 2 chief priests of our kingdom, Kejimaro and Chigozie, to come immediately, because they are the only 2 men that can tell us if there is danger or not. Guards! Guards!
Who is there? Who is here?
Greetings. The king summons you to the palace immediately.
Break words from the palace. What prompted this urgent summon?
The king has the idea and the answers to that. All I know is that it is important.
Father, do you think that Kejimaro reported you to the king for fighting him in his house?
That coward. He can report me to the highest order on this earth. He can never escape the wrath of Chigozie. That I am sure of. Take care of yourself.
Allergy and his father has sworn to be a thorn on our flesh.
Chitua! 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 Chitua!
I'm so sorry I left the hut. I was so scared. I had the vision again. It happened again on the road.
Did anyone see you when it happened?
Yes, a man. An old man.
An old man. Chitua, you shouldn't have left the hut. Now people know of your powers.
I know, Mother. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
We can't stay here any longer. If people know of your powers, they will come here looking for you. We have to leave immediately.
But Mother, where will we go?
I don't know. But we'll find somewhere safe. We have to move at once. Go inside and pack your things.
Oh, Your Majesty, I don't get this. What is this thing doing here? No, what is this thing doing before the king?
With all due respect, my king, he is nothing but a coward. I don't know what you are doing here. This is a man I don't share the same breath with. But let me tell you, I know this is your doings, isn't it? But for what?
I don't understand. Why are we listening to this fool? Must you blame me for all your failures, Chigozie? What is it this time around? No, why have you presented your corpse body before the king of...
Enough! Enough! I did not summon both of you to come here and fight. I have a greater threat in our hand. There is a prophecy from a little girl that there is a plague that is ready to ravage the entire kingdom. And both of you are here shouting. Let me remind you, and whosoever among you that can put a stop to this plague shall be seen as the greatest priest in this kingdom.
A revelation from a little child. Since when did we start listening to fallacies of little children in this kingdom? If there is any such plague that is coming to destroy this land, I, of all the priests, would have seen it. I have seen nothing, and there is nothing like that.
Ejimaru, with your pretenses. I know this is one of your schemes, just to manipulate this kingdom by invoking evil spirit on a little girl. What are you trying to achieve? No, tell me. What are you trying to get at?
Have you seen it? For you to actually force it means that is actually your scheme. Can you swear on this staff? Swear on this staff that you are not the one who has invoked himself into this little child to be speaking fallacy in the name of a revelation. Can you swear? Can you?
Anyway, I've sent for the little girl to come. And when she arrives, both of you shall test and tell us where her powers is coming from.
Zoga, what is it? What is it?
Look, I need you to please find a way to make up with Eloa. I hate the fact that we're not friends anymore.
I can never be friends with the daughter of an evil man like Eloa. Never.
Look, calm down. Calm down. You cannot be enemies with someone you grew up knowing too well without even knowing the cause of the hatred.
If my father says they are evil, then they are evil. How am I even sure that they didn't use charm on you?
Allergy. Aloha. I didn't see you.
What do you think of me? Just the daughter of an evil man.
No, I was just talking to...
Just save it. Stay away from me.
Eloa, I was just... Eloa, see, I
By the order of the king, the child must come with us.
No, she's not going anywhere. She's my daughter.
Mother, I want to go. Maybe I can help.
No, I won't let them take you. It's too dangerous.
You push me! Don't make this difficult, woman. The king orders are clear.
Over my dead body.
Chitua!
Okay, so you are that child. You are that child who from a trance saw a revelation that I did not see. You are the child, right?
Who put those words into your mouth? Tell me, who put those words? Who made you to speak of such prophecy?
Speak! Who is this person that is manipulating this kingdom through you? Who put these words in your mouth to deceive this kingdom? Speak!
No one told me. The shadow plague, it's near. It's coming. I saw it. Sir, please don't touch him. If you do, you'll be contaminated, sir, please.
My son! I saw him.
You saw who?
I saw the hunter. Banji. The plague attacked him. And he died.
Who died? My son! My son!
Hey!
Sir, please.
My son! My son died. My son
The
died.
child speaks the truth. The shadow plague is here and is with us. My king, we must act swiftly. My king, I must do something about this.
I am going to stop this plague. I am giving you my word. I will stop this plague.
My son. How dare you? You come into my place. You open your mouth so wide to say my own brother, Sanji, is dead. How dare you? Your father asked me to come and warn you not to go out. You should sit down in one place.
No. It cannot be. My brother cannot be dead. Sanji cannot be dead.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I don't want to see you! Get out! I don't want to see anybody! Leave me alone! I don't want to see anybody! I don't want to see All the fishes respect their sizes at the depth of the sea. Eloa.
Father, I heard what the king said. You must work with Kejimaro to stop the plague. It is too dangerous to do it alone.
That coward. I cannot work with him. I must do this, and I have all it takes to overcome the plague, so that the king will know that I am the greatest and the chosen priest of this kingdom.
Father, this is bigger than your rivalry. People's lives are at stake. Don't you think we need unity and not division?
I don't need Kejimaro's help. I have all the knowledge. I have all the powers to overcome this very plague. And when I do so, the entire kingdom will know that I am the greatest. And that very respect that I deserve will be accorded to me.
Father, please. You need to reconsider. For the sake of our people and you. I do not want anything to happen to you.
Eloa, trouble yourself not. trust your father. But as for that coward, Kejimaru, I am not going to work with him. I must do this so that the entire kingdom will know he is no match to me.
Please.
Father, are you sure you can do this alone? Not after what happened to Tanji. Both of you are important to me.
You don't seem to realize the kind of power that I have. I don't need anybody's help. Not that of Chigozie. I am going to stop this plague, and I will stop this plague alone.
But what about the prophecy, Father? It says that only the sword of power can cure the spirit's plague.
I need you to understand something. Nobody has managed to handle the sword of power. Not even all the priests before me. That is the reason I am working on devising a new means to solve this problem. Don't allow Chigozie to distract us with all his negative dimensions.
Okay, Father. Tanji couldn't even get a chance to live his life. He was just the first to be afflicted.
Calm down, my child. I understand the pain of losing a loved one. Especially when the people that are together didn't get to say goodbye. But I promise you one thing. I am going to arrest this spirit. And I will bring this spirit to justice.
Okay, Father. Show no mercy to it.
I will. Just allow me.
What are you doing here? Because I remembered vividly. You said you do not want anything from me. Neither do you want to see me. So what do you want?
You know I do not mean that, right? Look, I have wronged you. And I've come to ask for your forgiveness. Here, Eloa, I brought this for you.
What for? I do not need whatever it is. Take it to your best friend. Besides, you enjoy her company to mine. So go and give it to her.
Look, my life isn't complete without you in them.
Akoko.
At least give me a chance to ask for your forgiveness. Look, see. Look what I got for you. Look. It's all for you. I'm sorry.
You sure know how to have your way. I mean, even in your grief, you still found a way to come to me. What will I do without you?
Look, I was wrong. I shouldn't have allowed Alaji reconcile with you that way. I was also wrong to have shouted at you that way. It was unfair. You did not kill my brother. The plague did. Forgive me.
It's okay. I know you meant well. I forgive you. And I have really missed you.
Your father, what is he doing about the spirit? Does he need help? Should I go meet him? I can be of assistance, you know.
Do not worry yourself about the things of that dimension. Leave it for the experts.
I am having a lot of sleepless nights. I cannot sleep knowing full well the thing that killed my brother is still out there. And I can't help. I feel so useless and powerless.
It's okay. Where are you going to?
To help the person.
How can you go help the person? It could be the plague. What if it affects us? You can't go.
That's why it's not safe here. Let's go. Please, come with me.
My elders, as I sat on my throne this morning, I recalled a dream I had in the past of a shadow chasing after me. As I make to stand up, I discovered I can no longer stand on my feet. I am stuck on this chair as I speak, my elders.
This is serious, my king. This is serious. And Chigozie and Kejimaru have not come up with any solution to this plague. Now it has started haunting us in our dreams. It has even gotten to the palace. To the king himself. Hey, my king, I'm afraid we are all doomed.
Hey. God, Yes, Your Highness, go and fetch me Kejimaru and Chigozie. Tell them to come immediately. And whoever among them that cures me of this plague shall be rewarded with an acre of land. Go! I shall command.
Your Majesty, it might be better if they work together. Because this plague is too powerful for one person to handle alone. Yes. Oh,
I am aware that both of them are proud men. But let them come. The promise I made to them will spur them into action.
Your Highness, yes, I believe unity is the best way to handle this darkness. I fear their rivalry may cost us dearly.
Let them come first and do not allow us to conclude yet until they are here.
Okay.
Try to relax, my king. Just relax. I believe everything will work out well. To work out
Skies are burning like neon and flame. Spells and curses, hands are turning in a battle unknown. Eyes of fury, hearts of stone, the ancient chains arise. Hey. The fame, the glory, the power, the claim, the brother's prize. Who will survive? Oh, who will survive? Who will survive?
Wise one, any improvement?
I don't know why it is not working.
Can't you see you are wasting our time? No, can't you see that what you're doing is not working? Stay out, let me handle this.
Will survive, survive. The battle has begun. The sky splits in two. The wrath breaks it through. No turning back. No second.
Please help me. This is getting us nowhere. It has been hours and nothing is happening. See, Kejimaro and Zagoje, both of you have to combine your knowledge and do something. If not, I'll go to the neighboring village and get another priest. And it will be a shame to both of you if he comes here and performs.
It's as simple as that. Hey. Huh? It's as simple as that.
My king. Another villager has been infected by the plague and she died immediately.
Hey! You see? Both of you have to do something and save our land.
Will survive. Oh, the battle has begun. Who will survive?
You're here. Now we are to work together for us to achieve this very task ahead of us. My suggestion is that we must perform the veil of shadow ritual to seal off this plague.
No. That ritual is too dangerous. It is going to unleash devastation in this kingdom and even beyond. We cannot risk that.
Who are you to question my suggestion? I am the greatest. Why are you not seeing what I am seeing? Where I see opportunity is where you see danger. Why are you always a coward?
Opportunity? Does it mean you will never understand something that is so simple and you keep parading yourself as the greatest? The veil of shadows has the capacity to consume everything on its paths, not only the plague. Can't you think?
What alternative do you propose?
Ritual of quenching. But it requires restraint. It requires precision.
Did you say restraint and precision?
Exactly.
What we need is the power, the authority to eradicate the sword and not mere attempt of appeasement.
I am looking you in the eye, and I need to tell you that the ritual of quenching is what we need, because that is the only thing that can contain the plague, and we don't have to risk innocent lives.
You are talking about innocent lives. This very kingdom rests their fate on us. Not when you are yet to make your decision. Your indecision cannot determine their fate. Take your decision on what I have suggested.
We are going to solve this problem. And the way to solve the problem is the ritual of quenching. It is that ritual or nothing.
Veil of shadow.
Ritual of quenching or nothing. is what we must undertake. Ritual of quenching or not.
Mother, I must go now. I need to tell the priest where to seal off the plague.
No, Chetu. I will not allow you go.
But mother, I need to save the village.
Those priests, they only care about power and control. They will use you and kill you. Why don't you understand me?
They won't, mother. Mother, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. But mother, please, just let me go. Please don't stop me.
I'd rather kill myself than watch you fall into their hands.
Mother, please don't say that again. Okay, I will stay indoor.
You will? You
Yes,
promise?
I promise.
Oh, my child. Thank you. Let's go inside.
Okay.
Please don't touch her! Don't harm her.
Stay out of this. Stay out of this.
This is just a dream. It's a dream. No. This is more than a dream. It's a revelation.
Like someone who has seen a ghost.
Father, I had a terrible dream. Chigozie was trying to use his own daughter for rituals.
And you want to disturb me from what I am doing because of the useless dream you have of Chigozie and the daughter? Why will you come here disturbing me about that dream?
But Father, what if it's true? What if he's capable of doing such a thing?
Chigozie has his own pattern of doing things. And I have my own pattern. We are like two different individuals that we never meet. Why will you continue to interfere in what happens in that family? Stay away from that family because your interference with them will bring harm to us.
But Elowa...
You promised me. You promised me that you will no longer get involved in what happens in that family. Why are you getting involved now?
Father, I promised you. But what if the dream is a warning?
If the dream is a warning, it's a warning to them. It has absolutely nothing to do with us. And I want you to stop. Stop interfering in what happens in that family. Stop dreaming about them. Concentrate on what we are doing. I am here taking care of the problem. And I am telling you that I will solve that problem. Stop. Stop.
Okay, Father.
Kijimaru, what are we doing here? Why did you choose these boundaries? I hope you know we are not here to play games.
When the border is sealed, the spirit plague that is tormenting this our land will not be able to penetrate. We are here for something very serious, not to banter words. And I will advise you, let us get into business.
I call upon the ancient spirits. I call upon you, the ancient spirits.
Whoa, you spirit plague, tormenting this land. Unto the end of the sky, every plague, I decree that you will no longer be able to penetrate into this kingdom to cause havoc. You are banished by the lifting of this staff, and so must it be.
Kijimaru, I was not expecting that these spirits are this strong. I was not expecting it. Aye, but wait a minute. Why is it did not strike you?
Maybe because I was fired up enough to know that I have to cast protective spell upon myself.
Have you seen it? Can you just listen to yourself? Protecting yourself. When you know that what we are here for is to unite in order that we can chase away this ancient evil.
Maybe I am not prepared to risk sacrificing the whole of my essence, spiritual essence, for a character like you. You have your own method and I have my method. Protect yourself and I will protect myself.
Kijimaru, you see why I say you are a coward. Just trying to hide your cowardice in the name of protection. Risking the life of the villagers. Is that why we are here?
I already made a vow from the deepest part of my heart that I am going to protect our people as a collection, nothing to do with an individual. I am not going to agree that I will go into any spiritual connection with you because I see you as one individual who is not trustworthy.
Chigozie, as strong as I am, the entire kingdom knows that I am the greatest. And on this, if you do not align with me, that our spirits must unite for us to achieve this exercise, then this very exercise is doomed.
Perhaps not doomed. I know exactly what I am going to do for us to achieve our purpose that brought us here. I am going to protect you. And I am going to protect myself, but strictly for the business that brought us here. And I want to believe that after this exercise, you will not go into town and open your mouth one more time and say, you are the greatest.
No, but you know it. You know it.
Bring your staff. We are in the border where you have come to know you are not the greatest. I am not going to say that to anybody, but just bring your staff. Let us do this business.
Suga.
I got your message. Believe me when I tell you that it's risky for us to be out here. What are you doing here?
I understand. We need to talk. It's very urgent.
What troubles you?
I had a vision. A dream. Eloa is in danger. You need to talk
What
to her.
danger are you talking about?
In my dream, the father wants to use her for sacrifice. It was so real, like I was there. Most of the times my dreams happen, and this seems like one of them.
Are you sure? You know, visions are not always very clear. Eloa would never hit such warning, especially when it's coming from you.
I understand, and that is why I need you. You have to trust me. I am sure of this. She's in danger.
Eloa harbors no love for you. She's not going to believe me, even when it concerns her safety.
Just try. Try hard. If we delay more, she might be in danger.
Okay, I'll find a way to approach her. Okay?
Okay.
I'll try.
Okay, let me start going before my father returns.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Be careful.
All right.
Alaji, what are you doing outside?
Father.
Are you not supposed to be inside?
Yeah, Father, I was...
You're not aware that the plague can be anywhere?
Father, I was inside. I heard some sound, so I just came out to check.
We have seen the boundaries of this kingdom, hoping that we are going to catch it before the next 4 market days.
And the king? Is he getting any better?
All the people who are sick on the account of this plague are still sick. But I am certain that by the time we catch this spirit shadow that is causing the problem, all of them will be healed.
And what about Zagoji? Is he on the plan?
He has no choice. He has no choice than to key in into my plan. And you? Are you sure you are okay?
Yes, Father. I'm fine.
Move inside.
For the fame, the glory, the power, the claim, the brother's prize. Who will survive? Oh, who will survive? Who will survive? Oh, the battle has begun. Who will survive? Tell me, who will survive?
Zuga, what are you doing here? I thought we agreed on not to meet with each other until the plague is over and the spirit shadow captured.
I have something very important I need to discuss with you. It's about your safety.
What is it about my safety? And why are you so concerned about me instead of being concerned about yourself?
Look, do not take this the wrong way. It's allergy. She had a vision. She believes you are in danger. Please, I beg you. I want you to be cautious of your father.
Alaji. Really? What is she up to now? And why should I trust her? She has always been jealous of our relationship.
No, Eloa. This is not about jealousy. I saw it in her eyes, in her fear. Look, she's genuinely worried about you.
She's worried about me. Really? Maybe she's trying to turn me against my father. Or she wants to have you for herself. Do you want her to?
No, Eloa. I do not want her. I care deeply for you and I want to protect you.
Protect me, you said. Like you promised to protect me from allergy.
You know I cannot keep to that promise.
Oh, there you go again. I mean, even with all the can and can't when it comes to allergy, what is it about her?
She only means to protect you from danger.
Then protect me from her lies. Stay away from allergy. At least for now, until the plague is over. Then you see her true self. Will you do that?
I'll promise. I'll stay away from her.
Good. Interesting. So now go home and stay away from evil people.
Please, stay safe.
I will. Stay away from evil people.
I am before you. Grant me my request. Grant me this desire. Fortify me the more. Give me that power to enable me to overcome the shadow of this plague, so that I can protect this land.
Power comes with sacrifice.
Anything. I am ready to offer anything.
The price for such power.
No. No! No! I cannot sacrifice my own flesh and blood. No! No, I cannot. You have taken her only brother. Do you want to leave me empty? I cannot sacrifice her. There must be a way out. I must find another way to accomplish this. I cannot sacrifice my only daughter. I cannot.
Where are you trying to go?
Father, I had a very terrible dream again. I need to go and warn Eloa.
Where is it that even when you convinced me that you inherited my spiritual gift, you still make it very clear to me that you have a large deposit of your mother's stubbornness? Why?
But Father, I can't sit here knowing that she might be in danger. I'll have myself to blame if anything happens to her.
And if anything happens to you, I will have myself to blame. By any means, do you think I'm not aware? You left this house and went to see her after you promised me that you will not go anywhere? You think I'm not aware?
Father, you've never cared less when it comes to the matter of life and death. Why is this Ogaje's family exceptional?
See, the feud between our families is actually very deep. And I am not happy that you are getting involved. Your intervention is unacceptable to me.
Father, what really happened between you and Zagoje? Why do you both hate each other so much?
Okay, I will tell you. We are talking about something that started so many years ago. So many years even before you were born. We were very close, just like brothers. we had a dream for our people on how we can get things better for the people. Along the line, over-ambition and greed set in and they tore us apart.
So what happened, Father?
Over-ambition, quest for dominance, quest for power, quest for domination took over loyalty. He betrayed every single thing we stood for. And our bond, the bond that was between us, got destroyed forever.
But Father, you need to elaborate more. We the daughters are caught up in the middle of nowhere. We are not understanding anything.
Father, why do you hate Kejimaru and his family so much? Why? Why do both of you hate each other when you don't even control the same element? Why?
I think it's time I'll tell you the truth. He betrayed the trust we share together when he chose to pursue his ambition, forgetting to be loyal to the purpose we have for our kingdom. Yes.
Is that all? Because this is the same thing we've always known. Father, I think there is more to this. Please tell me the truth.
Hello. Kejimaru and I used to be brothers in one purpose. But the moment his self-ambition overshadowed his loyalty, they now chose the path of betrayal.
It all started when a certain woman came to me for spiritual guidance.
No, Nkosi, you're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen.
Thank you, my love. But something is bothering me.
Really? Yes. What is it? Look, tell me what it is. And I promise, I will provide solution.
It's about your friend Kejimaru. He has been saying so many bad things about you, turning the villagers against you, and I don't like it.
Kejimaru can do something like that.
He has been disturbing me, telling me to leave you and be with him, that he is more stronger than you.
Kejimaru said that. Huh. It's all right. We shall see.
Each passing day, my love for you increases. You are the best thing that have ever happened to me.
You certainly have ways with your words. And you know I love you too.
But the problem I have is your friend.
My friend? Which of my friends?
Chigozie.
Chigozie? What about him?
I don't like the fact that he's using you.
Chigozie? Chigozie cannot use me. He's my best friend. And we do things together.
Just your good heart is your weak point, and he's taking advantage of it.
I don't understand what you are saying. How is he taking advantage of my good heart?
I overheard him telling someone that he wants to take you somewhere to extract your powers.
Why would he want to do a thing like that? He's my friend.
Because he wants to be the only powerful chief priest in our kingdom.
Chigozie, why would he choose such a path? Why would he be thinking in that direction? I don't understand.
Tell us, my love. Yes. Jealousy.
Kejimaru! Kejimaru!
I was told, but I doubted it. Kejimaru, you of all people. You that I call my friend. You take Nkose from me. Kejimaru, why?
Chigozie, you are my friend. Can you speak to me in clear terms?
Oh, spare me that! Spare me! Kejimaru, I will show you. I will show you that I am the greatest there is in this kingdom.
You cannot threaten me and you know that. Chigozie, you can't threaten me and you know it. So your words cannot frighten me.
Kejimaru, there is a saying that a mad dog eats everything but itself. We shall see.
You are my friend, but I know your words hold no water. You cannot scare me. I know who you are. You cannot threaten me. You know who I am. Don't make me bring out that side of me that you will not like.
That's what happened. Now that I have told you this story, I am hoping that nobody will disturb me again on the account of trying to know what happened.
You will not believe in all his quest for power. He made Nkose to vanish into the thin air. I could not even grasp her scent. I couldn't feel her scent. Tell me, to what purpose if not self-aggrandization? Just to make himself more powerful to the kingdom and trying to tarnish my image, causing hatred between me and my own kingdom that I love with all my strength. Is such person deemed fit to be related with or associated with? Tell me, my daughter. He is so ambitious, full of himself, always thinking that he can do it all, forgetting that Chigozie, that I am the one that wields the greatest power, the greatest priest this very kingdom have witnessed. And no one can change that. And anyone who stands by my way will have to smell my
Hello. Allergy. Thank you both for coming. There is something very important we need to discuss.
What exactly do we have to discuss? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Yes, what is this about? Because I have no desire to near her anymore.
Both of you should behave yourself. There is more at play here than you can ever imagine.
Of course there is. If not, why would her father betray my father, his friend, just because of greed and power? Why?
Or your father's twisted ambitions. All because of jealousy and quest for power. If not because of Nkose, who knows what your father would have done to my father?
Oh, please.
Listen.
Your father must have twisted you to suit himself. Oh, grow up, child, grow up. Your father killed Nkose just because of his greed. Know it if you don't know.
Rubbish. I need both of you to listen. Your fathers are being manipulated. There is a sorcerer, a very powerful sorcerer, who has been fueling this hatred against them, turning them against each other and taking their powers. This sorcerer has made them fall in love with her, thereby taking advantage of them.
What are you saying, Zuba? I hope you're not trying to search for this girl's father because he is the evil one here.
Oh no, your father is to blame. He betrayed his friend and manipulated the whole village.
Manipulation is going on. Now, I want the two of you to calm down and think about this. Your fathers were once friends. Best friends. People loved them and admired their friendship. All of a sudden, they turned to enemies. They no longer want to see each other. What could have happened? Have you asked yourself? This is the handwork of that evil sorcerer. My mother told me about her when I went to my maternal home. Told me about her scheme and how she is taking powers from people. Now, if both of you do not end this feud, there's going to be a problem. The whole kingdom is going to be wiped out. The only two people that can help this kingdom is at war. And that is your fathers.
Sanji is dead. And the king is dying.
And the two people that are supposed to solve all of these problems are not in good terms. They are not even willing to unite.
Now we're on the same page.
And where are you rushing back from? I told you not to leave this compound, didn't I?
Father, you did. But Father, you need to listen to me. I have an important news. I met with Zoga and Eloa, and we discovered...
I don't want to hear whatever you discovered. You disobeyed me. That is what I want to be talking about.
Father, please, you need to listen to me. A sorcerer has been manipulating you and Zogaji.
So because of this rubbish you just said now, you disobeyed my instruction?
Please. This feud is as a result of the sorcerer's manipulation.
You know what? This is happening because I've been believing that when I talk to you, you will listen. That's why I will say something you disobey. I'm going to solve it permanently now by locking you inside. And I will lock you inside until you learn how to stay very far from that family.
Father, please, you have to believe me.
Get inside!
Father...
Who can explain this? They were able to convince you, my own daughter, that a sorcerer has been manipulating me. And you believed. And you have the guts to be saying that to my face.
Father,
move inside.
Father,
move inside!
To believe me, Father. Father, please. Father. Father, please. Father, please, you have to believe me.
You are going to remain there until you learn how to stay very far from that family. Who can believe it? This is the height of it. They convinced my own daughter that a sorcerer is manipulating a man like me, and she believed. What a word.
Father, I know there is more to your anger than Zogaji's betrayal.
Listen, if you know what is good for you, just shut up and stop interrupting me. I am trying to concentrate.
No, Father, I will not. It's not just about the betrayal. You are in love with her. You love Nkosi. Even when you were about to marry my mother, you think Zagoje took her away from you.
Listen, you don't know anything concerning the feud that is existing between myself and Zagoje. And if you stop interfering, just remain where you are and stop talking. Stop talking.
Father, I know it hurts, but this hatred is destroying us. Please just listen to me. I am sorry, Father, but you have to face the truth.
You know, the only thing I did is to lock you up. But the way you are going, I have to go the extra mile and seal your mouth. Stop provoking me. Shut up and remain where you are.
Father, are you listening to me? Besides, why do you want to practice with me now that this village needs you the most?
Eloa,
you don't understand. This kingdom needs protection. And that protection requires great sacrifice.
Sacrifice? What are you talking about, Father?
I must be the one that will defeat the plague, and for me to defeat that plague requires a greater sacrifice for me to do so.
You lost your power once, didn't you? And my brother died at a very young age, without any form of sickness whatsoever. Father, did you sacrifice my brother to...
Spare me all those stories, Eloa. It was necessary for greater good.
And now, you want to sacrifice me? Alaji was right. He was right. He was right. You are no better than the sorcerer that manipulated you. How could you?
I must be the one that will wield that sort of power. There is no way out.
But you gave me these beads while I was still a child. I just started wearing them thinking that Alaji might want to harm me or something, but you want me dead? Father! You!
Come back here. Come back here. I will kill you. I will be the one that will kill you.
Soga! Where are you?
Eloa! Eloa! Are you alright?
My father, he wanted to sacrifice me. Alaji was right all along. Been using that magic.
What?
Yes, he needed more powers to kill the spirit plague by himself.
Look, we have to report him to the king at once. He has to be stopped before he hurts anyone.
Oh, I can't be the reason my father dies. I just want to be free from him. Let him meet his own end. That's it.
I understand, but we have to do what is right. We have to stop him before he hurts many people.
So I can't be the one to condemn my father. Please, just let me get away from him. I do not want to see him again.
Alright, I'll keep you safe and we'll figure out how to stop your father without involving the king. Alright?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, what would I have done without you? But Zoga, don't you think he might come here? What do we do? These beats cannot protect the both of us.
I'm not sure he would want to expose himself like that. Don't worry, I have to keep you safe first, okay? Please come with me, come.
Okay.
Mother, are you sure this food will be edible? Because the previous one tasted like poison. And what makes you think that this one will be better?
My child, we have to try. If not, hunger will kill us before Kejimaru and Zagodia finds a way to get us out of this predicament. Chetu, what is it? What is it again?
It's slipping through. It's slipping through the boundary. We need to warn the priests.
What did you see? Tell me everything.
Mother, the shadow plague is slipping through the boundary. And it's getting stronger. And I can only tell them if they are asleep. But now they are awake. So I need to go there.
No, you are not going anywhere. You have to stay here. I will go and tell them. You have to stay in this house. Stay in this house. Don't go out of this house. Don't come out for any reason. Stay inside. Have you heard me? Promise me you will stay inside.
I promise. But please be careful. The shadow is dangerous.
I'll be careful. Take this. Go inside. Eh? Go inside. Hide. Hide until I return. Don't come out for any reason. Have you heard me? Go inside. Go.
Mother, please be careful.
Please. Please spare me. Please spare me. Please. Don't hurt me. Don't kill me, please.
You will not. You will be the first to die.
Please, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Spare me. I have someone. I have someone. Please. She is the only one with the power to wield the sword that can destroy you. Please. Please spare me. I know it. I have witnessed it. She has the She has the power. Only that the mother refused that she would not get involved in any ritual. And I know you are not going to stray for so long in this border until it is completely destroyed. Please, 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 please spare me. Spare me, I will bring her. I don't want to die, please. I will not fail. I will not fail. I will fulfill my promise. Please, please spare me. The pains are much.
Nwoye, what is it? What are you doing in my compound?
It's Chitua. She had a trance. The shadow plague is slipping through the boundary. We must act fast.
I am the one you should be listening to. The shadow plague is bound and cannot make any headway, cannot cross over until the next day.
But my daughter is saying otherwise. I am not trying to oppose your belief or strength. I know what my daughter saw, and I promised her I will tell you.
That means I don't have much time. I am going to summon Chigozie for us to bind the spirit again.
Please, move fast. According to her, the plague might sit in not just a house.
Chitua. Chitua. Is she not at home? Chitua. Chitua. Thank the gods that you are at home. I actually came here to see you. Where is your mother?
She left to tell you about the spirit plague.
Yes. I forgot that I met her on my way here. And she's actually the one that said I should come and take you after my discussion with her. So we should go.
But she told me not to leave the hut.
I know she told you. I know she told you not to leave the hut. But the major thing there is that you know that our kingdom is passing through serious calamity now. And you are the only one with the power to wield that sword that can destroy the shadow plague. I and the rest of the other priests cannot do it alone. That is why I am here to take you. And your mother equally agreed that you should come with me.
Save the kingdom.
Yes, so that this kingdom can be saved. Yes.
How can I help?
I have already explained this to you. If you come with me now, we will go. You will understand more. You are the only one that can save this kingdom now. Let's go. Let's go, my daughter. Let's go. A good girl.
Chigozie! Chigozie has Chitua. He wants to use her for sacrifice. No. Father! Father! Somebody please help! Chigozie wants to kill Chitua. I need to act first. I need to save her. I need to save Chitua.
Chigozie. I am the greatest priest in this kingdom. No other priest can challenge my mastery for all the elements. I am the greatest. I am Chigozie.
Eloa! 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 What are you doing on the ground? Where's your father?
Father, Chitua, he joined her. He's going to take her to the shadow spirit.
Why will you do that?
He wanted to sacrifice me for more strength. But I ran away. Now he has her. I could not even save her.
Where did he go?
They went towards the boundary site. There is no time, Kejimaro. Please hurry. Hurry.
Skies are burning like neon and flame. Spells and curses, hands are turning in a battle unknown. Eyes of fury, hearts of stone, the ancient chains arise. Hey. For the fame, the glory, the power,
Where am I?
the brother's prize.
Why am I so weak?
Who will survive?
Just relax. Rest a bit, You will see how this time. Do you hear me? Just relax.
Who will survive? Oh, the battle has begun.
save myself first. No matter what. That's what I must do.
The wrath breaks it through. No turning back, no second chance. In this deadly dance, they face it hard. The land trembles. Oh, lives are lost now.
Spirit of the plague. Spirit of the plague. I beseech you to heal me. Heal me so that I can serve you better.
Seek healing before the sacrifice. Hand the sacrifice over to me first, then you shall score.
I will not hand the sacrifice over. I want to be sure of my healing and to be assured that I will be strengthened to fulfill all your demands.
First, you have already given yourself. The price for healing is obedience. Bring the sacrifice.
I will not risk her life without the assurance of my own.
Dead nanny, mortal.
I dare to ensure her safety above all.
Born speaker. Are you sure you can withstand my wrath with my power through?
We need peace, we need love, unity everywhere. Oh, it's a birthday.
Rajawa! Rajawa!
Chitua!
Wait, where are you going to? Where is Chitua?
I'm looking for my daughter. I don't know if the king has taken her again.
In a dream, I saw Chitua. I saw her. They were taking her to the village boundary to sacrifice her to the spirit plague. Zagozie has her.
They want to sacrifice my daughter. I saw this thing coming, though. I saw this thing coming, and I would have left this village.
Wait, where are you going to?
I have to go and save my daughter. Why are you asking me that kind of question?
No, you can't go there. You can't go there. You might be afflicted by the spirit plague.
Let me be afflicted. She's all I have, so I have to go and save her. Let the plague infect me if you want to infect me.
Listen to me.
I have to save my daughter. Please, God.
Rajawa!
The sacrifice is here. Heal me. Heal me now.
Hand over the child, Zagozie. I would say that I'm getting tired of your delays. But then, I look forward to you screaming when I finally finish you off.
I will hand her over. But please heal me. Heal me and promise me that you will depart from this kingdom for at least 2 years so that I can have that glory of defending my people.
How dare you interfere?
Secretary, this is madness. You cannot offer an innocent child. You cannot.
Stay out of this. This is my own very opportunity to regain my spiritual powers. You must not ruin it.
You can do whatever you want to do to regain your stupid, useless powers. You cannot use an innocent child. The child you are carrying is an special gift from the gods. A child who will finally wield the sword of justice that will solve all these problems. Watch me hand her over. Watch me. What are you doing? I am going to sacrifice her to regain my spiritual powers. I will not allow you to manipulate me. I don't have your time. I actually want to talk to this fool. I had actually thought that it was a wizard that was using the voice of a woman to manipulate my land. Now that you finally show yourself to reveal that not only you are a woman, but actually one who has not seen the moment of menopause, your end is come.
Everybody and everyone! This land is mine!
This is the same sword that no one has ever lifted up and lived. And I have lifted it up, and it has healed the land and everyone that's sick.
Chitua, you saved my life. You are a special gift to this kingdom. And let it be known from today that she is the greatest priest in the entire kingdom.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I am honored. Kijimaru, please, I beg you to teach me how to understand my power.
I am making a vow right here before the king that I'm going to guide you for you to harness all the things the gods of our land deposited right on the inside of you. Away.
Shadows, you walk alone.
Together,
Bitter, paranoid, heart of fire and spirit bright. They doubted and turned away and professed the lost unknown till the dark clouds come to stay. She rises, neglected, guardian of the land, with fire in her soul and power in her hands. For the people she stands firm, her heart in a blaze, to save her people in this darkest day. Battle rage, the night was long, but she stood firm, fierce and strong. The village saved, the dawn is break, the peace has come for the people's sake. She rises up so strong and firm to set them free from the evil deeds. The battle is gone and the peace returned.